Hello cuties, welcome to my channel Farwa Amazing Drawing World.
Hello cuties, welcome to my channel. Today we draw Cute Squirrel, so let's call her magical marker.
I'm coming! Let's start coloring.
Orange color, parrot color, blue color, red color, yellow color, purple color. Bye bye.
If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel.